You are so slow, driver. What the fuck?
The slowest BMW driver alive. I mean, I have a slow BMW.
Push the gas. Yeah.
This is not an interesting video, we're just making it up this hill.
No.
If I have this much gas, it's perfect. No problem.
If you have.
Oh no, a turn.
Yeah, that's. Whoa. Yeah. You will probably not make it now. Ah.
We're good.
Yeah, right.
Just find the perfect gas and we're good. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Get rid of the rift. It's okay.
Whoa.
Okay, massive drifting. Okay, there's snow here, so this is a problem. Come on! Come on, BMW! Oh, let's do this shit.
You make it, maybe?
We're making it, but there's so much wheel spin. Oh, it's okay now. I don't know what you're talking about.
BMWs are good.
Hello, everybody. Just gonna drift around this corner a little bit. Everybody parks here.
No one goes.
The whole town parks here because no one wants to go forward, but we have BMW, so let's go forward. We're the only idiots going up here. So.
You will not go.
Look, second gear, no problem.
Boring. That's boring. That's boring. Whoa. Yeah, right.
Okay, you fucked up my fucking traction.
So BMWs are good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Excellent car.
Until you go
Okay,
in the
so-
mountain now. I
can
guess
ma-
we will not.
I can make a picture now.
You will?
Let's take a picture of this piece of shit.
That's not fair. Really.
We're supposed to have chains to go up here. I don't have. And it's a BMW, so it's not exactly a great situation. Everybody that owned this car before never drove it in the snow, not once. Because they're idiots. I'm just
Or
like-
maybe you are idiot now.
I'm just like, oh, it's snowing, let's take the BMW up a mountain.
Whoa.
Till I gave it too many gas. I was optimistic.
Yeah.
I guess we're turning around here. We can even turn around because we're kind of going to a stop. We can do it.
Oh.
Not even a problem.
Yeah, right. Now go to reverse and try to.
Reverse burnout.
Yeah. Oh, it's going.
You're
What the
saying?
fuck? It's going. Not.
Reverse burnouts. My engine literally smells like it's on fire, so I don't know what the fuck is up with this. It's literally on fire.
That's tires. Stop.
No, it was smelling like this before. Come on, let's work on some shit. First car that we're gonna fix today is this piece of shit, the Beamer, because of course. Okay, weird. There's always something. We've replaced the radiator like 3 times. I had 3 new ones. There's a used one in here now, and it's already blowing up. So, of course, I got a new radiator. And this time I got the biggest piece of shit I could find from Polkar. Polish radiators for the win. So my logic here is, if the good ones don't work, then let's buy the shittiest one. Nice quality Polish radiator. It looks
It's already leaking.
it looks like it's already been leaking. It looks like it's been in a car and it was leaking, so I don't know. if that's okay or...
What the fuck?
I know, I saw that last time I opened it. It looks like it's been underwater for like 6 years already. Come on, BMW guy, what the fuck?
No shit.
Cold! Ah! So fucking cold. There's not much in here anyway, so.
There was like 1 liter of this coolant system or something.
It's not my fault it leaks. I said I have enough of this shit, maybe I'm just gonna call BMW and ask how much this is the original one, and gave them the chassis and the guy was like, oh, I don't think you're gonna like the price, and I was like, yeah, I know it's expensive, how much? And he's like, $400, and I said, okay, bye. Cause fuck that, this thing's worth $400.
How much this cost?
$60.
Okay, so
More beavers, more problems. For nothing. Who the fuck came up with these stupid clips? I swear to God. Just pray to Jesus. Please, Jesus. I was good this year.
I picture it for some reason.
Ah, one's good. This should just come new with any radiator for this piece of shit. This one doesn't want to cooperate. But it's gone. There we go. We didn't break anything. That's great.
For now.
Luckily, don't need to take the viscous out in this one. Good.
That's perfect. But you say you like the hoses.
Hose without the S's. This belt's looking okay now that we replaced all the rollers, because last time we replaced the belt. And the rollers haven't been done in 20 years, so the belt started squeaking and getting fucked up right away. And then we also did that. Yeah, one time. Oh my god, oh, we missed. As I was saying.
Your ex-girlfriend said that too.
Yeah. I had an accident like that once before. So this video is where we're gonna show you all of our broken pieces of shit. So this is number 1, the BMW. Gotta do the radiator. Then we're gonna look at some other cars. They're still broken. Okay. Here's this whole piece of shit.
Perfect. Looks so mint.
So as I was saying, there's a crack starting right around here, around this water neck. Do it like this a bit, the gap opens and it was like making a noise out of here. It was like going like, so there's obviously a hole. I'm feeling you. Okay. It's in. That's what she said. I'm also using the most bent screwdriver on the planet. You could wrench with this around the corner. What the fuck? Or maybe this radiator is a big fail. This hole is small. The small hole has never been a problem for me. Put my big black one in the small hole and then it's fine. Okay. This is pretty fresh coolant, so don't at me. Because I keep pouring coolant every 2 days into it, so this is basically new. And the shit that you're about to see go in, I don't care. One hand, boys. That's how you do it.
How much?
A lot.
It's enough.
I may not actually have enough. Oops.
You will need to start the car.
Ah, no. People give me different answers how to bleed this piece of shit because they're known for impossible bleeding. So, I don't know. Some people were saying just keep pouring in and keep squeezing so you get all the bubbles out like that, and then keep adding so no more bubbles come out. Some say start it and then when it comes around the thermostat, then bubbles come out. I don't know. I just saying. There's bubbles coming out, so I guess that's okay.
Heating and full fan on.
Yes. So the great thing about bleeding BMWs is this whole coolant is pouring down the radiator, so then after you're done you don't know for like 2 weeks if it's leaking or if it's still from bleeding. Because first let's just make it like this. So while this shit is bleeding, let's go look at that.
You've got only one left here.
So today we took this out for a drive. Last time I took the engine out, I resealed everything. I resealed the gearbox, then I put everything inside, and then it wouldn't shift. And it was always in gear, so I was like, what the fuck? And I looked around and obviously I messed something up with the gearbox. So, gearbox came out. I messed with it for 3 days. I figured out what was wrong with it. Today I put it together, I figured out what was the problem of not starting, because the camshaft was rotated 180 degrees, so Chinese cam gears, because they don't have the up sign that you need to have, like the original, so fix that. Now it runs, kinda whatever, still needs a tune I guess, but yeah, so this is kinda broken still. It's not really the idea about because it runs like shit. That's one of my cars. I still have 2 more other cars that we're gonna go look at later. So let's see if this shit is black. Oh my god.
God damn it.
BMW, it keeps giving back coolant. It's crazy.
I see. It's giving back coolant.
It gives back to nature. The Beamer made it over to our garages, no problems. So I guess the Polish radiator works, that's great. So let's see what's going on in the garages. Something is going on. Hello?
Oh, you again.
What's
BMW Master. Hello.
what's broken now?
Yeah.
Oh.
This cabin ventilation stopped working.
And of course it's a Renault, so you have to, I see you taking off the pedals and all
Yes,
the
of
plastics and wow, what a great project.
For the Sunday.
Oh yeah, it's great.
Yeah. I destroy everything, only one connector left. Which I cannot disconnect it, I don't know why. I
Then
disconnect, I don't know, 10 of these connectors or 15. But the last one,
okay, for some reason we have taken the pedal out. He couldn't undo this connector for like 3 hours probably. I came here,
This
I squeezed it and pulled it and it went right off.
this one.
Whatever, same thing. This is it. Okay, I guess we can take it apart here. Valeo, made in China. It's great. Made in France. It says made in France, but then it says made in China right there. See? Made in
Yeah.
France, made in China. Which one is it?
Okay, after 15 minutes.
Yeah. It's 5 seconds from last clip. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god.
What the fuck?
You can just replace this.
I don't even know if this is a problem, but okay.
So the way you test it is you put a wire on this third terminal and this last one. You plug it in and you turn the ignition on and you see if the fan starts on full blast, then this shit is bad. If it doesn't, then probably your motor is bad or something else. So we're gonna try that first before we disassemble half of the car, like we already did.
Ignition failed.
Yeah, of course there's no gas pedal.
Oh my god.
Now try it. Okay, so maybe we're just idiots or it's really broken.
What? So we need to take out the blower, I guess.
God damn it.
You will do it.
I have to go somewhere. Shit, I can't even go anywhere. Okay, let's take the motor out. Back in and so we can film it again. Okay, bye. I'm just fuck that shit. I got it out. Huge pain in the ass, you have to like squeeze this fan like that so it comes out because there's not enough room, so whatever. Oh, I guess we have 2 connectors here, so we're just gonna put it on a battery and see if this spins.
Okay.
Easy, so. Whoa. I think it's working.
Whoa! What the fuck?
It went flying, so I think it's working. Do you have it on for sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's working.
Let's try again. We're just gonna keep trying till something breaks. We can't just leave it.
now.
Okay, it definitely works. Okay, so I already found the resistor. 25 bucks, also for a Peugeot. And it's from Polcar, which we figured out in this video makes awesome shit because it's the only radiator that worked in the BMW. So I guess we'll just buy this one. The OEM one's like 70 bucks, so 25 it is. We put the resistor back, we measured the fan connector and it has some power, so we're like, what the fuck? Now we're gonna try hooking up the fan again and we'll see what happens.
Whoa.
Okay, we fixed it. What the fuck?
Go to the full speed. Okay, enough. That's good.
Okay, so we don't know what's broken. Okay, we cleaned the fan contacts and now it works.
Yeah?
Whatever.
That's good.
Oh my god. It's fucking stupid. Okay, let's look at my other still broken car. There it is. It's still broken. And I don't know what to do with this thing. I was trying to repair it, still drive it, and then the guy who was selling me the parts, I said, hey, you wanna buy a Calibra? And he said, yeah, sure. So I've been waiting for a while and I guess he's not gonna buy it, so I'm probably just gonna throw some shit back on it, make the MOT and then sell it for cheap or something, I don't know. I don't know, with this fender if we can maybe bash it out, maybe just straighten it out and just reuse the same old fender, but it got pretty flattened here, so I don't know. Because I just asked someone if he wants to sell me a fender and he said like $100 and I said, yeah, fuck you, guy. Because people are fucking stupid. Also, just the day before the accident I ordered a bunch of parts that then arrived. I have a new expansion tank, I have an oil filter, I have, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's some junk, there's a new clutch cable. So yeah, I don't know, what do you guys think? Should we still drive it? I was kind of thinking of making it a winter beater and just beat the shit out of it until it fucking dies. Because it's worthless, these cars are pretty much worthless right now and there's no point in restoring it and keeping it, so... Maybe we're gonna slam it on its nuts and drive it still, maybe I'm gonna just rally it in the snow, I don't know. We're gonna put it back together, just ghetto paint it a little bit and then we'll see. So, that's one of my cars. Let's go see what the guy is up to with the Megane. Okay, we're driving around in the fixed Megane, we get some pizza and we made everything work, ventilation works, everything's good, but there's an error which you can't see, but it says check cruise control
And electronic fault or something like this.
It has some problems, so that's probably because we unhooked the pedal. So we're probably gonna have to connect some diagnostics and clear the codes. And then I hope it will be fine, so we didn't fuck anything up. So we fixed all our other broken cars. And now we're in this final broken car. I mean, it's kinda not broken anymore. Yeah, stuff for these people, so... It still smokes a bit, but I guess there's no more errors. So that's good. Got it reprogrammed and now it's perfect. Wanna tell us when's the new E32 video coming?
I guess it's in the end of the January or in the start of the February, something like this.
So pretty much the BMW is off to paint and it's gonna take like a month or something to get painted, so it's gonna take a lot of money. So if you need a Megane ventilation fixing or you need a E36 radiator replacing, we can do that.
Okay.
We've proven it in this video, we can do it.
We didn't fix the Calibra yet. Because,
I don't have the parts.
Reason.
Yeah, today we drove across the country to a junkyard and then we came there and he was like, oh shit, we scrapped it. So now I still don't...
It's not here anymore.
I still don't have a part for it, so we'll get that figured out.
Bad.
In 300 meters,
Oh
turn
my
left.
god, shut the fuck up. I'm looking for a new car, so as soon as we find something good, I'm selling the E36. Soon more to come. And I also have one of my project cars getting a paint job right now, so you'll find out soon. So,
That will be the BMW.
no.
E36 compact.
No.
No? Okay.
No. Junk. So let's go home.